Hello everyone, welcome back from the center of Kyiv, the capital of Ukraine. In this video we will take you for a short walking tour during the war inside the center, starting from Khrechatik. Coming to Kyiv without tasting the Perepishka means you didn't come. One of the most famous things to try in Kyiv. I never missed this stop. Here, in all my visits to this lovely city, I can't resist the taste of a fresh and hot Perepishka. On that day, it was the second memorial of the Russian invasion war of Ukraine. And we came to say thank you for all the heroes who gave their lives for the freedom of this country. Thousands of them defended with brave hearts against the Russian invaders. Every flag here is for the soul of one of those heroes. All respect for our Ukrainian army. From Maidan Square and Independence Square, let's move to Druzhby Narodiv. Here is it, the Arch of Friendship, a panoramic view to the Dnipro River, Trohanev Island, and the other bank of Kyiv. Let's continue to the famous Bridge of Love there for another view to the riverside and Pachtova Square. And to the other side from here as well. Now let's walk to the Mikhailsky Sobor, the Monastery of St. Mikhael. Very nice park in the entrance here, full of trees. And here is the fountain on the gate. A closer view from here. You see, it's very nice and very old one, with the angel on the top. Now to the historical church of the monastery. You see, it's with gold on the dome. Closer view of the historical church. When you exit the monastery, you will find lots of destroyed Russian vehicles since the Battle of Kyiv, when the invaders were defeated and left their equipment around the city. Tanks, armored vehicles, trucks, artillery, and even their rockets.